I am thrilled because I could not have imagined, made up, formed, created a daughter more beautiful, more perfect. And so I am blessed to know you and have you in my family, and to know that you two are together, because you know I love this boy and this man. And so welcome, and just blessings to you.
I didn't really prepare anything, so I will just say that I love you. I just want to wish you both a lifetime of kindness and inclusiveness, and hope that you always share together for more than 100 years. I love you both.
第一条呢，他说的是不要赔钱，保住本金。第二条说，请记住第一条。
He said he's going to give us some unusual nice words. The first one is keep what you have. Do not lose more. And the second sentence is always remember the first advice.